Health Advocates has created a voter guide with recommendations on the 7 statewide propositions that California voters will decide on this November. Here are our voting suggestions for the 2022 election year. Proposition 1 amends the California state constitution to establish a right to reproductive freedom, including abortions and contraceptives. We support this proposition. Reproductive freedom is a basic human right. It is a critical component to public health. Proposition 26 legalizes in-person sports betting at tribal casinos and racetracks. It also lets those casinos offer new games such as roulette and craps. We are neutral on this proposition. Increased gaming can create public health challenges. However, we have given Native tribes sovereignty over gaming, and Prop 26 can increase their revenue. Proposition 27 legalizes mobile sports betting for tribes and gambling companies who pay 10% of bets into the state fund. 85% of these funds will address issues such as homelessness. We oppose this proposition. Studies suggest online sports gamblers are 5 times more likely to develop addictions to gambling. 90% of the revenue from this proposition will leave the state. Proposition 28 dedicates 1% of existing school funding to music and the arts. Any extra cash will go towards economically disadvantaged schools. We support this proposition. Music and the arts support child development and well-being. Proposition 29 requires kidney dialysis centers to have licensed medical staff on site or available via telehealth. It also requires those centers to report their infection rates and doctors who own at least 5% stake in the center. We support this proposition. Dialysis patients require this life-saving treatment. These common sense steps protect patients and do not place heavy financial burdens on the centers. Proposition 30 establishes a 1.75% income tax increase for people with personal incomes over $2 million to help expand electric vehicle use and fund wildfire prevention. We support this proposition. Climate change is a major public health issue. Gasoline-fueled vehicles contribute to greenhouse gases. Expanding electric vehicle access and preventing wildfires are critical policies for the environment. Proposition 31 challenges the existing ban on flavored tobacco products. California passed a law in 2020 banning the sale of flavored tobacco. A yes vote supports the 2020 law and keeps the ban in place. We support this proposition. Tobacco products are harmful and smoking is a public health problem. Tobacco companies introduce flavored products to entice kids and target low-income communities and communities of color. We hope this information will help you make smart decisions for yourself, your family, and your community. For more information, visit phadvocates.org/2022 voter guide.